How to set up mobile hotspot on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a mobile hotspot on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on portable hotspot. And now here, once you're inside this section, here you can just tap on setup portable hotspot option. And now here you can change the hotspot name, create a password and choose the security type if needed. So here, once you have finished setting it up, then you can just go back by tapping on the tick icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and after that you can just turn on your portable hotspot toggle, and with that your mobile hotspot is now ready and other devices can connect to it using the hotspot name and password that you have created. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.